Like, it's not bad, is it? And then, like, they're one of the damage, and then that hybrid run, like, so it's a near